Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Node, JS 14 or newer and NPM. Once confirmed, pick a driver, Sqlite 3 or better Sqlite 3, and install it with npm install. Make a project directory, run npm init to generate package, JSON and create index. JS. Now, require the library at the top of your file. For Sqlite 3 use const Sqlite 3 equals require Sqlite 3. Verbose, this step opens the door to creating or opening a DB file and executing queries immediately. Once the module is required, open the database. Const db equals new Sqlite 3. Database data. db, then use db serialize to guarantee sequential execution. Inside serialize, run ddl and writes with db. Run create table if not exists, and parameterize statements using to avoid injection. For reads, use db, all SQL params air rows equals, or db, get for a single row. Make sure to check air in each callback and close resources when done. This prevents locks and keeps the app stable. To finish, wrap write sequences in a transaction for atomicity, db, run begin, perform db, run statements then db, run commit, always call db. Close, when work is complete to release locks and file handles. If you need concurrency, prefer WAL journal mode. Pragma journal mode equals WAL, it improves reads. Troubleshooting tip, if queries fail, examine error. Message, check that the DB file exists and has correct permissions, and make sure no other process holds an exclusive lock. Fixing permissions or closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.